FIGS Incorporated Japan GK's Eugene Ong, who I was talking about before, now you're actually going to see him. So he's going to be presenting on FIGS Financial Innovation Gateways. Please welcome Eugene to the stage.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thank you, FIBC, for putting me right after coffee break. This way I know all of you are actually awake. My name is Eugene. I'm from FIGS Financial Innovation Gateways. I know most of you in this room are actually investment professionals, but many of the world is actually not. Coming from investment banking and hedge funds, people always like to talk to me about investments. In all my high school reunions, people always ask me for investment tips, what should they do, and so forth. Now, whenever I ask them, if you invest, I often get the same answers. Information overload. You can Google for everything today, but there's so much information in there and it's time consuming to actually filter through and get everything organized. Again, when you have everything sorted out, even from very reliable sources, how do you get them summarized? It takes time to get them structured and summarized and filter out all the repetitive information. Or you have been disappointed before. You bought something, you invested in something, and it didn't really perform to your expectations. Or some of the lucky few have bought something, made some profits, but now at a dilemma. Should I take profit? Should I buy more? Should I sell? So this is what we try to do. We're not a robo-advisor. We're not a personalized financial advisor. But what we do is that we try to provide our users with a set of tools and information to help them make the best investment decisions for themselves. We are very proud, as of February, which is last month, that we've been licensed by the FSA here in Japan as a licensed financial advisor. We've got 3 offices around the world, New York, Singapore, and here in Tokyo. Our product is available in English, Japanese, and very soon in the second half of this year in Chinese. We have a desktop application as well as a native iOS as well as Android application. Now, FIGSinc.com, that is our product. Perhaps it's easier if I show you a quick demo of the product. As you know, our product is available in English and Japanese. And when you log on, you can access to a set of tools and organized, structured information for you to make investment decisions. Imagine if you're a general manager at Toshiba today. You've saved up some money and you wanted to make an investment. Where do you go? What should you invest in? What ideas do you have? You can start your journey with us through the Learn section. Here, information is organized, summarized, and structured for you by themes or by sectors. These are all the industry sectors. We tell you, or we summarize for you your potential returns. We provide you a short report summarized from hundreds of pages so that you can obtain or get that information at your fingertips. We also provide you short infographics that further summarize all the key high-level information so that you can refer to them quickly. If you're interested in themes, these are sort of, trendy or hot investment themes in the market. And again, this could span across various different industry sectors. We obviously also provide you your potential return. And these are potential returns forecasted by industry analysts. So we've consolidated that for you. Reports, available in your own language. Infographics, and also a short video. Some people don't really like to read these days. So you can actually get
がん
all that
古くからあ
information
る病の詳細が
in a
年
video,
々明らかにな
in
り
an educational
さらな
type
る調査
format
や研究によ
where
っ
you
て
can learn
病気の
everything
原
that you
因が
need to know
解明され
about
てきてい
the
ます
theme or the
今
sector
後
that you're
20年間
interested in
に世界
investing in.
がん発生率は
Finally, very quickly and easily, you can get a link to all the top news that are related to the theme or sector that you're interested in. Now, if you're interested in that particular theme, say cancer treatment, you click into it. We show you, and we consolidate this for you, a list of potential stocks that you can invest in. We cover 8 different markets around the world. Obviously, Japan, US, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and some of the other Southeast Asian countries. These stocks are all listed and organized for you in potential returns. These are all structured or consolidated consensus price by all the industry analysts. Say perhaps I'm really greedy and I think, well, Inside has got really high potential return and that I'm really interested in this stock. I'll click into it and I will be able to see information about the stock. If I am capable in charting, I can play around with charts and play around to analyze that stock myself. Or if I'm not, I can look at what the industry analysts are talking about. Well, here we have got 17 analysts that's recommending buy, none saying sell, and 4 saying hold. So my natural question would be, who are these people? Why should I believe them? Why should I believe their recommendation? We list these analysts for you, and what we also provide is the accuracy level. For example, Chris is 93% accurate, and Tony is 82% accurate. And if you think, you believe in this story and you want to invest, you can always click trade and link to the broker of your choice. And we are very lucky and fortunate to be partnered up with SBI Securities here in Japan. This is one user journey. Obviously, there's many different user journeys that you can do within FIGS. Why FIGS? We are simple, easy to use, we are sophisticated tools, and we bring you global content in your native language. Thank you.